Okay, Google, I'm home.
Hi, welcome home. Hey there, DeCursey has arrived.
I like that. Alright, quick video on what has been going on. We moved. I've got a new kitchen to cook in. The glass top stove. I'm not supposed to use cast iron skillets in those, so let's talk about the junk drawer. I know everybody has one. Alright, so I've got a basic spatula. I think this is Paula Deen's collection. Yeah. Regular old chef's knife. I believe this is like an 8 or 10 inch blade, but this is my go-to for just about every situation. A good pair of tongs. I've got a few of these. And well, these just regular. These are the older ones. These are the newer ones, but they're the exact same brand. Got the little locking thing on the bottom. Definitely a decent set of measuring spoons. Where's the rest of them? I got these from Pampered Chef. They actually adjust. This is the smaller one. This is the big one. This one does the tablespoon. The other one does the teaspoon. So, oh, here's the rest of this set. They used to be on a ring together. Definitely a good idea to have like a fine mesh sieve. I've got the plastic, I forgot what material this is called, but this is it's another Pampered Chef item. Grater, a zester, slicer, all in one. Definitely one of the little cheap regular grocery store types. Something else that every kitchen needs, a wine bottle opener. Silicone spatulas are a must, especially if you have like non-stick skillets or non-stick pans, because you cannot use anything metal in them or they will scratch them up. Basting brush, silicone. I actually have a couple of these. Got this little smaller one, got this bigger one. Something else is essential. Not the microwave, not the water bottle. Glass bowl, not these, actually. Yeah. A nice mixing bowl. Always need one of those. It's got the measurements on the side. This side is cups. This other side here is liters or milliliters, however you want to do it. But yeah, definite sturdy glass mixer. So the reason I showed you all of that was because you don't have to have a whole bunch of expensive kitchen equipment in order to make good dishes. All you need is just a couple of essential pieces and you'll be fine. So basically what I want to say is, if you want to get started in the kitchen making your own dishes, do it. You don't need anything special. You don't need any delivery service. You can just run right to your local grocery store, pick up some items that you need, jump on in the kitchen, and experiment. That is the best way to get the types of dishes that you want, is to experiment.